1,450 kilometers, 5 days. One epic journey across the heart of Peninsular Malaysia. Welcome to the Grand Loop. This is a ride that tests both man and machine, taking us through the ultimate extremes of tropical riding. Day 1 begins in the concrete jungle of Kuala Lumpur. Leaving the towering Petronas Twin Towers behind, we carve through the winding tarmac of the Karak Highway, climbing high into the misty emerald tea terraces of the Cameron Highlands. On day 2, we descend from the clouds through the sweeping curves of Simpang Pulai. We'll cross the iconic sea-spanning Penang Bridge and roll into the vibrant UNESCO heritage streets of Georgetown. Day 3 pushes our limits. We conquer the mighty Titiwangsa mountain range via the legendary East-West Highway, cutting deep through million-year-old rainforests before finally emerging onto the eastern coastline. Day 4 brings a change of pace, a breathtaking coastal cruise south along the South China Sea, riding alongside pristine white sands and traditional fishing villages, all the way to Cherating. Finally, on day 5, we leave the ocean breeze behind, making the long push back into the pulsing neon heart of Kuala Lumpur to complete the loop. 5 days, 5 entirely different worlds. Let the journey begin. That wraps up a beautiful trip. But the journey for 2465 Road Trip doesn't end here. Where will we ride the wind and conquer epic curves next? Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe to the 2465 Road Trip channel. See you on the road.